Dapat yung train namin pero delayed kasi may interruption daw, so it became 10:06 pero may connecting train pa kami, so nagtanong ako dun sa information. Hirap intindihin pero parang binago niya para hindi maapektuhan yung arrival namin sa Edinburgh. Meron siyang mga binigay na alternate routes na gagawin namin, which is 2 changes, originally 1 change na. So good luck to us. Hindi ako masyado mag-vlog. I think I'll just vlog basta, mamaya na lang ako mag-update. But I'm so excited to go to Scotland. Let's go! Everything is ulan-proof. Don's backpack. Nagpalit na rin ako ng bag. And my paper bunny. And of course, my hunter boots. Kasi doon pala, hindi naka-ulan-proof na shoes. Naka-suede pa.
One eternity later.
Update, guys. Delayed ang aming train. I mean, cancelled pala. Diba delayed yung trains kanina, tapos we figured out a way to get to our destination, pero medyo mas nakakapagod kasi 2 stop. Itong last train namin, yung papunta na mismo ng Scotland, is cancelled. Pero may compensation naman daw, pero online. Masakay kami sa next train, which is halos 2 hours, no? Halos 2 hours yung sayang na oras. Kainis. But wala kami magagawa. So we just stay here and eat our baon. Kasi kanina, nagmamadali kami. Hindi na namin naubos yung breakfast namin. Binaon na lang namin. Ngayon, dito namin kakainin. Our spam sandwich. Sayang oras. Nakakainis.
I fall asleep at night, holding my pillow like it's your body next to mine. I say it's fine, but that's a bad excuse. I dream of kissing you. I write it off for someone's. Don't wanna face the truth that I keep making every bad excuse.
We're in Scotland! Ang ganda! Mamaya ako mag-chichika, pero gusto ko na lang pakita sa inyo yung initial reaction ko paglabas namin ng train station. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! 1 kilometer away yung hotel namin. So, check-in muna kami. Oh my God, ang ganda! Oh, what's that? Castle ba yun? Ang ganda. Okay, see you later.
A few moments later.
Sabi ko mamaya ako mag-vlog, pero hindi ko mapigilan hindi mag-vlog kasi sobrang ganda. Kung pwede lang yung camera nasa mata ko na. Pero kung anong nakikita ko, hindi na nakikita niyo. Uulan nga lang. Ito guys. Ito ang balita. Oh my God. Ako. Rawr! Ang ganda.
This ain't even love yet. I can't help but love it. Oh my, I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it now. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting to it.
Now in our hotel room tour. Ang laki. Wow. Oops. May cherry blossom sa kapitbahay. La, may kitchen. May planchahan. Wow. Ay. Nakakapagod pero worth it kasi kakadating pa lang namin ang saya-saya na ang ganda-ganda. So, ang chika is na-cancel yung train namin. Dapat andito na kami ng 1 o'clock eh. 4:30 na. Sinakay kami dun sa next na train na maraming stops. So, syempre, lahat ng sakay nung cancel, dun din. So, standing, nakatayo kami with our maletas, everybody. Sobrang sikip nung train. Eventually, after, siguro mga 30 minutes lang na lang, nagkaupuan ako. Tapos, nagka-friend kami si Kimi, na Filipino, student dito. So, kaming dalawa yung nagtabi, pinaupo si Don, nakatayo lang muna. And then, eventually, nakahanap din ang upuan si Don the Builder. Pero the whole trip, 3 hours na lang. 3 hours pala kami nagchichismisan ni Kimi, kaya pala sakat ng lalamunan ko. Dapat mag-work ako. Wala akong nagawa kasi nagchikahan kami the whole time. And then we're finally here. Ang ganda. Yun palang masasabi ko, ang ganda. Gusto ko na sanang mamasyal pero may kailangan akong gawin. muna. Kaya kausapin ko kayo later. Okay, magtatrabaho muna. Ang daming chat ng aking manager. At saka ang ganda ng hotel namin. Ang hirap lumabas. And we only have 1 full day tomorrow. 1 full day din kami sa last day. Kaso, walang ano pala tong hotel namin, receptionist. Hindi ko alam paano mag-late check-out o iiwan yung maleta sa baba. I'll figure it out. Mag-email na lang ako sa booking.com. Sayang naman yung araw kung di kami makakapasyal after 11. So, that's 5 hours sayang. Anyway, mamaya na nga magtatrabaho. Okay, time check. It is now 5:30 na ata. And finally, makakapamasyal na kami. Nag-work lang ako ng konti. Pero hindi pa ako tapos mag-work. Kaso, sayang yung araw tsaka yung oras. Pagpupuyatan ko na lang yung kailangan kong gawin mamaya. But now we explore beautiful Edinburgh. I swear, totoo yung balita na kahit saan ka tumingin. Parang, ganda nun, ang ganda. Well, siguro para sa amin kasi mahilig kami. Hindi ko alam. Matanda na ata talaga kami. Ganito na yung mga na-appreciate na. Wala kami kahit anong pupuntahan or alam. But we're just gonna walk around hanggang mapagod. Dito sa street, kung saan kami nag-book, sobrang daming kainan na international. There's Mexican, Thai, parang mga posh yung area na. Puro mga modern na parang magandang kainan. Naliligaw kami kasi lahat maganda. Lahat gusto namin tignan or likuan.
What's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. My favorite song comes on. I hear you singing badly. No, you're not really there. So then I roll my windows down and cruise. I'm smelling your cologne. It kinda hasn't hit me. I'm actually alone. Say you're the one, my friends say I'm confused.
We are now at Tesco. Tapos na kami mag-ikot. So, iharap lang kami ng food. And as usual, mag-explore ng mga laman ng grocery. Because that's what we like to do pag nasa bagong lugar kami. Dito na kayo bibili ng food because meron kaming microwave and mini kitchen. Scotland Grocery Haul. Naalala ko, lagi ako nag-grocery haul sa lahat ng pinupuntahan namin bansa. Hindi ako nakapag-haul sa London. Lagi kasi kami pagod eh. Maaga na kami umuwi. Bukas na lang namin susulitin yung buong araw. At mag-work na lang din siguro ako. Have our food trip here. So, naku, natapon. This is our first time in Tesco. Nung nasa London kami, nag-Waitrose kami. Dinala ko si Don kasi yun yung favorite grocery ko sa Dubai. Itong Tesco, first time namin parehong i-check. Mahilig kami mag-check ng mga grocery locally. So this is chicken and bacon pasta bake. I-microwave lang. So ito yung dinner namin ngayon. Tapos, of course, rice again. Ito yung kinain namin. Grocery kami sa London. With tuna. Wala yung tuna na favorite ko eh. Yun sana ulit tsaka ito kasi it's really so good. But, meron? Namumblema kasi kami kasi nung nasa London kami, nakalimutan namin, nga naman, wala kaming spoon and fork. Hirap kami kumain. So, kanina, naalala na ni Don na kailangan namin ng kutsara. So, we went to Jollibee and nagnakaw kami ng kutsara. Tandahan pa. Just to find out na may mga kutsara din pala dito. Anyway, here, sardinas. Wala na mapangkain. Sardines in sunflower oil with the rice. Don got the Itsu noodle soup, chicken, gyoza, and greens. Ayan o. Water, nakinuha na niya. Of course, I got my strawberries, as always. Dinid doon tong savory chicken flavor. Yung microwave lang din, pero chicken rice to. Rice na chicken flavor. We also bought dessert creme brulee. Ang nakita ko na to somewhere. Basta yan. Dalawa pa. Babasagin yung lalagyan. We got chips. Hindi kami magkain ng mga chips pag nasaan man kami. Kung nasa train station kami, we tried this one. It's so yummy. Sabi namin, bibili kami sa grocery. Glorious cheese and onion walkers. Pagtingin namin, ang dami pa ng kind. So, merong baked na cheese and onion. Meron ding, dalawa na pala yung kinuha ko. So, baked Gories, tsaka may isa pa, pero hindi ko na kinuha. I also got ridge cut cheddar and onion. Ibang brand naman pala to, the McCoy's. And then, Don wanted this Monster Munch. And bumili pala ako nitong slow roasted chicken bites. And my chocolate, natutunawin ko for my strawberry. And then, one of my favorite chocolates in the world is Milky Way. And parang hindi na masyadong maraming Milky Way. So, nung nakita ko to, I got 3. There, that is our Scotland grocery haul. Kakain na muna kami kasi gutom na kami. Wala pa kami nakakain matino today. Ganda ng kitchen namin. Parang Airbnb pala to. May lutuan, may utensils, paper towels, and tissue. It's a fridge. May toaster pa, oh. Oh, kompleto. I love it.
In the silence of the night time, raindrops falling love that gently landing on the window pane, melting away all the hurt and pain, drifting away on the sound of rain, lost in the rhythm of a lo-fi refrain. Close my eyes and let the music guide.
Yung creme brulee namin fail. Dapat pala oven. Wala kaming oven. So, tinayin niyo doon yung microwave. Sumabog. So, it looks weird. But let's taste it and let's see. Wala lang siya nung matigas na ibabaw na sugar. Oh, init. Masarap, love. Meron pa rin ng crunchy yan.
In the rain outside, in the city where the colors rain, I'm lost in a kaleidoscope of streets, where the neon lights paint my every move. I'm dancing in the rhythm of the beat. Underneath the neon skies, living in a technicolor dream. With every step I'm feeling alive, in a world where nothing's as it seems. Let the city lights guide us tonight. Through the darkness we'll find our way. Underneath the neon skies, we'll dance until the break.
Nakakapagod pero sobrang ganda. Oh my God. We're going up there. There. Huh? What? Good morning, guys. So today, we decided to finally go for a run. Balak talaga namin mag-jogging dito sa UK. Sa London pa lang. So, ginawa namin itinerary today is wake up and jog para mapasyal na namin. And now we are gonna go to Arthur's Seat. We're gonna try. Ay, kapag jogging kasi ang lamig. Pero buti na lang maaraw kasi normally nga umulan dito. Umulan kahapon, ulan din nata bukas. So, today is sunny. It's such a beautiful day. This is our view. And then, doon pa sa taas, yung Arthur's Seat to be able to see the entire city. Dito pa lang, sobrang ganda. Agenda ko talaga dito sa Scotland is itong mga ganito, tsaka yung mga graveyards. Pupuntahan namin yung Kirkyard na kinuhaan ni J.K. Rowling ng inspiration ng characters. Pero kanina may nadaanan ako. Ang dami namin nadaanan. Ang saya-saya ko talaga. Kasi yun sa mga dame ko. Pupunta sa mga graveyard dito sa Scotland. Tignan nyo yung view. Ay. Thank you, Lord. Parang gusto ko mag-shopping na lang ulit.
One eternity later.
We're finally here. Akala ko hindi ko na kaya. We made it. Arthur's Seat. Para nakisiguro dyan sa nakaupo para nakikita niya yung tanawin. Woo! Ah!
Arthur seat pala.
Ano nga sinasabi ko, Arthur seat? We are here at the peak. Ganyan, nandiyan kami sa ganyang kataas. Kung naiintindihan nyo man. Ayokong gumalaw kasi pili ko lilipagin ako pa. It's so beautiful. Si ate hindi naman sa ilang kaya si Arthur. Sa Arthur sa Shiba.
Wala, di pa yung aso.
Ay, yun nga sasabi ko.
Yan, Chico.
Sa Shiba here. Oh, thank you Lord, I made it. I made it down without using our insurance. Grabe, akala ko hindi ko nakakayanin, but we made it. I made it down. Ang mali lang namin, kaya namin ano siya, like mini hike or mini trek. Hindi kami kumain. Hindi pa rin kami nagkakape. Kasi balak nga namin, like gagawin namin to, jogging trek, tapos pagbaba, dinner. Pagbaba, coffee and brunch, ganyan. Naalala ko pag nag-hike kami sa mga high altitude sa States, kasama po ako. Lagi niya nire-remind na mag-nuts kami habang kumakain. Trail mix yan, ganyan. Kasi nga, mahirap. So, akala ko hindi ko na magagawa. But I made it. Kasi pinapagalitan niya ako. So, nakamotivate ako.
Motivate ko sa Hermes tsaka sa...
Sinasabi niya, may Hermes doon, may Platinum Mall doon. Maubusan kang paninda. If gagawin niyo to, kumain muna kayo. Or at least have coffee. Or bring snacks para meron kayong inangat-kat habang kumakit. Madali lang naman, pero yun nga. Hindi siya madali. Pero doable siya kasi dapat nga kumain. Or ako kasi personally, hindi ako nag-function without coffee. Kahit gagawa lang ng normal tasks, let alone mag-hike without coffee. But other than that, sobrang ganda. Sobrang lamig ka lang doon sa taas. Buti na lang hindi umulan. Kung umulan, siguro wag nyo nang itry. So check nyo yung weather. Now we're gonna find breakfast, or no, brunch. Because I deserve good brunch and coffee. Actually, Starbucks na gusto kong coffee. Hindi namin nadala yung flask kasi malamig naman para mag-aal lang. Buti na lang din, you will see Scotland, fresh water, everywhere. So, pwede kang mag-refill. Brunch pa. Pag nanonood kasi kami sa YouTube, wala kami masyadong magustuhan na food dito. So, akala ko magmamakdo Jollibee, KFC lang. But, we came across hog roast. Yan. It's a hog roast. So, pulled pork in a bun. Sarap. Sarap din ang bread. We got our coffee.
She was living in summer, flowers in her hair. No one ever loved her. I love to be there.
Cherry blossoms again. It's so nice. So after our brunch, we just walked going home and another graveyard. Tapos tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng cherry blossoms. Ganda.
These days, it's not easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me, need me, need me. Living in the summer, didn't last too long. And no one never loved her. I love the way she calls. Whoa, these days it's not easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me, need me, need me.
Time check. It's now 4 o'clock. Umuwi lang kami kanina after namin maglakad-lakad. Because I needed to do some work. Tapos, nakatulog to. Buti pa siya. Sakit ang ulo ko. Pagod ako sa jogging na yun. Now, we're gonna try to go to the castle. Magbubuk sana ako sa clock kagabi. Kaso, 10 AM tsaka 1:30. Ayoko kasi nang may nahabol na oras. I've seen a lot of videos, sabi, book earlier, kasi laging sold out. Pero kahapon, marami naman. So, feeling ko, hindi naman peak season, tapos weekday naman. Sana may ticket pa. It's 18 pounds per adult. So, we're gonna try. If not, then, okay, makakapasok. But let's see. Let's go to Edinburgh Castle. Ayan lang siya. Kita siya paglabas agad ng hotel namin. Kita na siya agad. Another park. Mga 3 minutes away lang. Sa baba ng castle. So, may dalawang malaking park. Yung kanina, tsaka ito. Yung castle. And then, a very nice park. Ganda siguro kung lahat ng cherry blossom trees nag-bloom na. I mean, yung iba kasi hindi siya. Pupunta tayo Scotland talaga. Sabi ko sa inyo, mag-exercise kayo. Pagod na ako. Super nakakapagod kasi kahit yung mga normal walks uphill. Pero sobrang sulit naman when you reach wherever you're going. Napakaganda.
Terminal with a sign close and personal to see your face light up.
Okay, so tama ang hinala ko, sold out. Pero okay lang kasi hapon na, siguro kung kanina. But okay lang. Maganda naman yung mga lalakaran pa dito. Ito yung Royal Mile. Anyway, it's okay.
She's a lightning mood. Structure, I'm not careful of boy wonder, chasing out the sunrise from the city to Chattanooga. Don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. I don't say you just fine. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take it time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and now we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Butterflies, I'm turning gold. Got me spinning around like vertigo. How could I feel so certain, yeah, so ambivalent when it's time with you? It's so innocent. Through the sky on the back of a Pegasus. Now we could go and mess with the lavender. Supernovas blow up, gotta get a hose up. Even if I host up, don't let me steal your thunder. Wake up at the right time.
Yung graveyard dito, pasyalan talaga. Meron ding mga tour, creepy walking tour at night, Kineme. Saya din siguro.
We gotta keep it up. Baby, take it time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and now we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you just fine. On and now we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take your time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and now we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up.
Good morning, guys! It's our last day here in Scotland. Nag-check out na kami. Iniwan na lang namin yung gamit dun. Kasi 4 o'clock pa yung train namin. Pupunta sana kaming castle ngayon. Kaso sold out na yung mga morning. Kaya tabad na yun dun ng Oh my God, tingnan mo. Wala na yung castle. Buti na lang nakapag-photoshoot na ako kahapon. Kinain na siya ng fog. Well, ito talaga yung weather na in-expect ko today. Tsaka nung day na dumating kami, parang kahapon lang sunny. So, buti na lang. Binigbigyan kami ng 1 whole day. Buti lang din sinulit namin kahapon. Anyway, we're just gonna look for kainan place kasi gusto ko na magkape. 11 o'clock na. Let's go. We're just gonna go sa mga free na museums. Kasi libre naman ang mga admission dito. Sakto kasi mahamog naman. So we'll just spend everything indoor. Grabe, ito yung magandang kahapon. Beautiful! Looks so mysterious. But over here, napakaganda ng flowers. National Gallery. Now we're gonna go to the National Museum. So still have time. Ngunit subalit tatapot. Diyos ko po, Lord. Sakit ng... Napakasakit nito. Nasabi ko sa inyo, pag pupunta kayo sa Scotland talaga, exercise kayo. Para ma-enjoy. Sakit na katawan ko. Kahit saan kita pa yung camera maganda. Let's go conquer the stairs. Ito lang yung train station, oh. Sa gitna lang siya ng magandang park. Ganda everywhere. Look, kahit gloomy, oh. It's very pretty. Mas interesting yun. Kasi yung isa puro artwork. Nakakapagod talaga. Dito na lang malamig. Masarap. Phone nga pala ginagamit ko guys because yung DJI ko, hindi ko alam, parang nasisiraan siya ng ulo. Sira na ata. Palagi naglolo ko yung gimbal. So, baka dahil aware ako maglagay sa bag or I don't know. But, hindi siya masyadong nagpo-perform. So, I'm using my phone now.
I wanna know
sure kasi ang ganda doon sa loob. Kaso lang, wala na kaming time. We have to eat lunch and go get our luggage. Para hindi kami nagmamadali mamaya. Nakaka-enjoy. Ang dami maganda, kakatuwa. What is that? The world famous Frankenstein. Parang ang saya din dyan. Yung mga Frankenstein museum ba yan?
Looking through the headlines, chosen through the day, but I just thought I'd let them go. Been meaning get my head right, staying up the whole night. I just thought I'd let you know. Mornings look like the sun's about to exhale. Looking on up, that smile must be a spell. In the new light, looking on back, you know so well. Hit you back up with the dunes and get to know us.
We chose to eat here at Yo Sushi. One of my favorite sushi place na nasa Dubai din. Sabi ko kayo doon try namin dito para matry niya. It's this kind of sushi place.
I know you got a secret, and I'ma keep it. 'Cause you gon' make the best of me when I'm a star. And I've got my dance clothes, and we'll be wildin'. 'Cause you gon' make the
We just finished lunch and it's now 2:25. Kunin na namin yung luggage namin. And then, we walk to the station para hindi kami nagmamadali. Ang ganda ng hotel namin kasi walang key card. Wala din reception. So, may bibigay lang sila na code for the front door tsaka dun sa room mo. So, gagana lang yung code na yon from the day of your check-in, which is 3 o'clock. Tapos, 11 o'clock on your check-out. Ito siya, by the way. Tapos, ito yung code. Yan na walang reception. Pwedeng iwan dito sa likod. Tapos yung code, gagana siya hanggang 6 PM ng check-out day. Ganda. Ganda tong location tsaka sobrang laki ng room. It's a Royal Princess Suites. Now we walk back to the station.
Someone gon' let it shine, to let it wash away. Your hand can dip in mine, we're better off on our way.
Imagine kung hindi kami nakatira doon sa tita ni Don. Dala-dala namin lahat ng maleta namin dito. Puro uphill. So, buti na lang, yun yung discarte namin. We go to Don's tita, stay there for 2 days, leave our stuff there, tapos punta kami dito, and ngayon babalik na ulit kami dun. Until the end of our trip.
You got a secret, and I'ma keep it. 'Cause you gon' make the best of me when I'm a star. And I've got my dance clothes, and we'll be wildin'. 'Cause you gon' make the best of me when I'm a star. 'Cause you gon' make the best of me when I'm a star. 'Cause you gon' make the best of me when I'm a star. 'Cause you gon' make the best of me when I'm a star.
A few moments later.